Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Ryan Lowry channel. Today I'm going to be talking about labels and how they're often misleading. Let me know in the comments if you've seen something that's been labeled as cauliflower pizza or cauliflower chips or cauliflower crackers, and then you look at the ingredients and you're like, where's the cauliflower? That's exactly what we're seeing. I saw this in the store the other day and I wanted to pick it up to use it as an example because right on the front, cauliflower tortilla chips. And someone in my family actually sent me this and they're like, hey, this is awesome. Is this keto? It's made of cauliflower, right? And I was like, oh gosh, not so fast. And so if you flip the label over, I want to describe this to you so you can see and understand what goes into this. The first ingredient is cassava flour, right? And while that's great and it's gluten-free, it's still high in carbohydrates. It's still a flour. It's still going to spike your glucose and spike your insulin and isn't something that's suitable for a ketogenic diet. The second ingredient is sunflower oil. And you're looking probably about 7 grams, since there's 7 grams of fat in here, probably all of that is coming from sunflower oil. And so right after that, you see cauliflower, right? And the way labels work is the highest amount of the material is always listed first, and then it goes down based on the amount that's actually inside of the product. So cauliflower is third on this list, and so there's probably less than 6 grams of cauliflower per serving in any of this at max. And yet you see on the front, cauliflower tortilla chips. And that's why these are super misleading. These are 17 grams of net carbohydrates for 10 chips. 10 chips is gonna get you 17 net carbohydrates. And so while someone who's just starting out on their low carb journey or looking to make better decisions might look at this and go, oh, these are great, they're healthy, they're made of cauliflower, not so fast. They are a doctored up to made look nice potato chip or tortilla chip, and that's exactly what these are. So be careful, make sure you're looking at ingredients, reading the nutrition facts, looking at total carbohydrates and dietary fiber, and make sure you're looking at all of the things that are inside of them. So stay away from these if you're on keto, and watch out for a lot of these misleading labels that claim they are made of cauliflower. It says keeping it real, made with real cauliflower. That's ridiculous.